Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the education, and since education starts very early, and if we know the subjects in the beginning, what the child will be doing as a professional, it's very easy to go to on the right path and not spend extra money or waste energy on subjects which were not your forte or which will not lead to anything in your particular case. So as soon as our children are born, all of us have a bigger worry: when and where to start their education. It is a task in today's world of competition as we fear for their future. Astrology can help us in selecting the right subjects at an early age to correlate it to their profession. So, our Janam Kundli actually speaks volumes about every aspect of our life, including education. If we know the stream of subjects which are best suited for our children, we can improve their concentration and improve their grades from the very beginning, giving them more confidence. Planets have control on our education, and as they show our education and career path very clearly. So children face a lot of pressure to excel and get good marks, and that has always been the norm. So education astrology can help us reduce that stress by choosing the right subjects and also the right time for appearing in, say, any competitive exam, so that the chance of success is more. This way less energy would be lost on irrelevant subjects, and academically our children would do better. The other way, I mean, that's another way of doing it is, to improve your education is to do specific chants. The mantra can be written and put on the desk of the child. So if the child is old enough, he or she can recite it 11 times every day. This will ensure a higher academic ranking and hence make the child more confident. A confident child, always radiates positivity, and parents are less worried about their future. So from the Janam Kundli, we can tell whether a child will be an engineer or a doctor or maybe a dancer or a professional actor. So you can actually, decide just seeing the Kundli where your child's future is going to lie. So nowadays there are so many professions, but they can be easily categorized by a stream a child chooses. Humanities, commerce and science streams are broad categories. The point is, if one has to be in marketing line, why does he have to study science or accounts? Not only can it be easily told what is best suited for a child, it can easily be seen whether a child will do business or service. So many things clear from the beginning go a long way in planning your life systematically for the child. A new trend is seen in sending children abroad for further studies. So what is the right time to do so? Will it be fruitful for him or her, or will he or she be safe there? Is it the right time for studies, or would they waste their time and energy? All these questions and many more can be answered astrologically with accuracy with birth kundli. So take a calculated decision rather than an emotional one where the education for our children is concerned. And in the current phase of corona, we need to be all the more careful, because as it is the concentration level and there's a lot of confusion over how the studies or education will move forward. So this would really help your child to be more successful and be more happy and confident as an adult, with professional success waiting for him. So thank you all for listening to this, and you can always get in touch with me for any further assistance. Thank you.